I think that in many ways, timber frame construction helps preserve American heritage, as this is a building method that has been used for hundreds of years. With the advanced architecture and some technology, they're becoming more beautiful, but it's really the old-fashioned techniques like wood joinery that make it so special.
About 10 years ago, I participated in the construction of a timber frame structure for a blacksmith shop. I got to appreciate the craftsmanship, the precision, the beauty of these timber frame structures.
What I think my clients like most about timber frame homes are the open spaces that we create with the large spanning timber beams. We can do this on porches and patios, great rooms, and other spaces like master bedrooms.
Yeah, what the timber frame structure does for me, you've got these massive posts and beams and braces that come together in beautiful joinery. In my case, we have Douglas fir, throughout the house.
Many parts of timber frame construction are better done by hand, by skilled craftsmen, than by a machine. The guys in the shop that are hand cutting the timbers and trusses are the same guys that will install the frame. And they get to know every timber from the shop through field construction.
We had the benefit of Tom doing the design. He did the timber frame layout and construction, and he was a general contractor for the completion of the home. It was a totally seamless project.
My team of artisans have been working together for over 20 years. It's like a football team that's been playing together for many seasons. They gel and they know each other's strengths and expertise. And you cannot get that kind of customization with the automated process. And this shows in our end product.
We've had a number of friends and family come over to see the house for the first time, and they walk through into the great room area and they're just blown away. They said, wow. One neighbor came in and he saw the great room. He says, think of the Biltmore. And so it's just an impressive structure that a lot of people just really love.
At the end of the day, we love taking someone's dream of living in a timber frame home and seeing their smiles and excitement when their dream becomes reality.